evening, everyone. Is my screen visible to all? Okay, I hope so. I'm audible clearly. Okay, fine. So now let's start then fastly. Actually, you can go to the LMS there, day 14. Okay, their files I have shared you. This is the food project.zip. Okay, so where front end and back end both codes are available. Okay, when you will open it, it will look something like this. Okay, so this is inside this backend folder will be there and front end folder will be there. Okay, now before starting this, anyone who didn't completed yet quizzes, so please attend the quiz. It's very important. Okay, this is the last session, so I am again telling, then in announcement only I am going to announce. Is this clear? Second thing, let's first of all run this code. Okay, so after unzipping it, you will get something like this. But if suppose you are getting any other extra folder like Mac OS, like something folder, so you that folder you can delete. Okay, now like normally we used to open the terminal. Let me split the terminals. Okay, so here first of all open the back end. Okay, very good. Open the front end. Okay, very good. Now on this side on back end you have to type npm I. Okay, so whatever packages used in this project will get installed. Same you have to do with the front end also. Yeah, today's in last 15 minutes I will suggest you some good codes and all. Okay, so no worries. With that I came today. Okay, so please first focus on this, then we will go to the extra projects. Okay, then here after this, same with the front end also you have to do npm I. Okay, after doing this, go to the back end, do npm start. So here it is saying server started on port number 4000 and MongoDB connected successfully. Front end you have to go and do npm run dev. And this localhost 5173 I will copy and I will open it like this. Okay, now after opening you will see something like this. Okay, 8 restaurants, pure veg, everything is working. Okay, now the thing is that here, show all. Okay, now suppose I will click this haldirams. Okay, and I will add this dahi papri chaat and pani puri. Okay, see, two items got added in cart. Okay, but if suppose, let me do log out. Okay, now if you will try to add, just a minute. Suppose Raj Kachori you are trying to add, so it will go directly to the login page. Clear to everyone? So basically before adding to the cart, okay, you have to log in. If you will not log in, it will go to the login page. It will not allow you to uh, add go to the cart, and it will not allow you to add any of the item, and it will not allow you to check out. Okay, this code we have written inside the backend using the protect. So wherever you will add protect or controller dot protect, so what it happens, so that particular urls and all like user cart checkout, this needs the login authorized person to do. Okay, so here I am doing login. If you are not the user, yeah, food project only. If you are not the user, okay, you didn't create it yet, so you can click to the new user and you can create your account in registration form. Okay, now click login. Okay, now let's go to the Haldirams. And here, if I will add Raj Kachori. So, as before, I added Pani Puri, Dahi Papri Chaat, and Raj Kachori. Right from here, you can maximize it or you can delete it also. Like this, it will get deleted. Okay, now you can see two items are present from Haldirams. Now, for example, go back. Now, from Mani's Dum Biryani, if I will try to add. Now what happened? It got replaced, right? So now it is coming. Now from there also you can add, from here also you can add it, and according to that the prices and subtotal is coming. You can just check it out what files are missing, or you can just replace it, or you can just download it and do the npmi. You can keep that folders with you only, and separately you can just download from the lms. Okay, you can just download it and you can run it, no issue. Okay, now here let's do the checkout. Now after clicking checkout, it will go to the Stripe account. Okay, now here, as you can see, there you can replace it. Okay, so whatever existing file is there, it will be with you. Then it, whatever not existing file is there, that will get added. Okay, if you feel any type of issues in this, you can just post in discussion forum. There I will reply. Okay. Now here you guys can see whatever we ordered, then delivery charges and all, everything is coming. Now here full name is there. Yeah, with npmi. Now full name, suppose John. Here if I am typing address xyz. Okay, and here Bangalore, if I will type, and here pin I will type 50001, and state Karnataka. Okay. Okay, done. Now here let's add the card photo, 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 photo. Okay, so for testing we use photo, photo. So you can type here photo, photo. Here 0236 and here 567. Okay, so like this. Now here if you will click pay, it is processing. And after processing, you have to go to the orders and you will get the orders. If you want to view, you can view. It is in the processing status. Okay, so from mongodb you can change it to delivered, you can change it to this and all. Okay, payment paid, address, name, it is showing what account we have, then the phone number and the address and what we have ordered, that. Okay, so in this way, uh, from here also now you can go to the orders and you can just check out the orders. Okay, plus you can go to the profile, you can go to the edit profile, tina 123. If I will type and I will click update, Tina, welcome Tina 123 is also coming. Okay, you can change your profile photo, otherwise it will be your default profile photo. Okay, so in this way, guys, this edit part is done. Uh, all the things are done. Okay, sort by ratings and all done. Right now, what I will do is I will go to the MongoDB. I will go to the users and Tina. Right, so I created the account for Tina. Right, so what I will do, to show you, I will double click this role and I will make it admin. Okay, and click update. Now you go to your project and automatically it got refresh, I think. No, refresh it. After refreshing, can everyone can see this? Okay, after refreshing, you will see the delete options and all. Okay, you can create the new restaurant. Suppose here name I will type new, address also xyz for now, pure veg I am clicking, and 40.77. comma 70.30. Okay, and let's give some image URL to it. So restaurants in Bangalore, something like this. I am typing images. Let's go to the images, and from here I will do the right click. I will copy the image address, and I will go to this, and I will paste it here, and I will just click create. So everyone can see this new account, a new restaurant has been created. If you want to delete, you can just this click delete and it will get deleted. Okay, now click this, and here you can add the menu. Suppose starter, create. Suppose here um, dal tar no paneer malai tikka, create. What happened? Oh, so sorry. Starter created, right? Now click this item. Okay. So sorry. Create the item. Starter created. Now click to this item. This will come. Menu category. You can select if so many categories you guys have created. Okay. Now here I will type paneer malai tikka. Okay, and price I will give 300. And this is the AI description. If you will click this AI description, marinated paneer cooked in a creamy malai sauce served as a starter, like this some description has been created. Stock you can give 30, and image URL if you want to give, go to the MongoDB, sorry, go to the project and create it and click add. Okay, and like this it will get created. If you want to delete, you can delete it also. Okay, now go back. Same with all of them, you can just click it. Okay, if you want to add new item, you can add the new items also. If you want to delete any of the item, you can delete also. If you want to add the new categories, you can add the new category also. Okay, so it is applicable for all, right? So here you can see the new and all. Okay, now let's go back. So again, you saw the admin panel, guys, everyone. Okay, now I will make this Tina as a user again, and I will click update. I will go to the project. Let me refresh it. Yeah, now what you guys can see, now this is your user part. 9 restaurants. Before it was showing 8 restaurants, but now it is showing 9 restaurants. Okay, now here if you will click this, you will get this starter as this. Now you can add to the cart. Is this clear to everyone? Similarly, you can do it and it will be reflected to the UI part. This is what is the UI. But here we have to first AI description we saw. Now we have to see the view review summary, because here everything is coming same. For this, what you have to do, you have to open the Postman. Okay, you have to open the Postman and you have to add this URL to it, which with the put method. Okay, put method localhost 4000, whichever backend your backend is running, API slash v1 slash AI slash admin slash restaurants, and instead of colon ID, okay, instead of colon ID, you have to add the actual ID of the restaurant. For example, here if I will add the Mani's Dum Biryani, so I will copy this. Oh, okay. Sorry for the spelling mistake of Malai. So sorry for that. I didn't saw that much. Okay. You can just change it. Okay. So I am copying this restaurant's ID. Okay. And I will go to our Postman. And between this restaurant slash analyze, I will paste this ID. Okay. Everyone can see this. And put method. Now here I will click send. So here it got submitted. So whatever was 70 reviews about that, now inside the database of restaurant, this fields got added. Now if you will go and check for the Manish Dum Biryani, let me hide it. Now if you will click it, give me a refresh. Yeah, everyone can see review summary is positive, fresh and flavor dishes. Loved the quality and this. Loved the quality and presentation. One of the best dishes I have tried. Okay, perfectly cooked with it and so on. Right, and with some tax. Correct. Code is not running. Yeah. Actually, I my laptop is not working. That's why I didn't solve any of the queries. Now I will solve your queries. Okay, so till Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, right? So in 3 days, your queries will get resolved. Okay, fine. So here you can see the review summary now. Correct. Same you have to do with this all restaurants. Okay, so what you have to do, again you have to go back to your postman, again you go back to your code. Okay, then this thalapakatti, right, object id I will copy and I will go to this postman. uh, I will paste it here and I will click send. Yeah, done. So here also we are getting the result. So this analyzing, okay, this AI is analyzing actually based on the 70 reviews written by the user. Okay, and you can go to your project and you will see. Let me refresh it. Otherwise, it is not reflecting. Chalapagatti, right? Everyone can see this. Okay, so it's a mixed review. Manish Dum Biryani is having the positive review and Haldirams is having also the positive review, but this Thalapakatti is having the mixed reviews. Why it is given and this. So what is happening in AI analyze review? What is happening, you don't have to check all 70 reviews separately who told what, right? So for this, what we have done, we use the AI, using the Grok AI, how we have written the code. Okay, using that, we have written the, you can go to the services, AI review analyzer, and you will see the prompt here. Okay, it's the same way, just prompt is little bit bigger, what exactly what we wanted. Okay, so it is analyzing all the reviews and it is giving just conclusion types with tags and the whether what's the feeling, mixed, positive or negative, and some dishes like this. Yeah, okay, Swapnil, no issue. Is this clear? But don't forget to attend the quiz. If you have attended the quiz, then it's okay. Okay, and there will be only 3 quizzes, guys. There will be no extra quizzes because you guys have to work on this. So that's why only 3 quizzes will be there. Okay, fine. So in this way, guys, what understood everyone? What you have to do for checking the review summary? You have to go to the MongoDB, take the id of that restaurant, copy it, paste in postman. Okay, click send, you will get 200. Okay, you will get the reviews, and then you can go to your project and you can just refresh it and you will get the view summary reviews. Is this clear? Now if I will select this pure veg, it will come two restaurants. Why? Because Haldirams and new I clicked it as a veg. Yeah, port number, yes. If you want to change, you can change. But if anything is not working on your port numbers, that is also okay. No issue for that. Okay. So, whatever changes, first of all, run it carefully. And whatever changes you want to do, you guys can just change it out. No issue. Okay. But remember, what changes you are doing in backend, if port number you are changing, come to the bit.config and change here also, in which your backend is running. Is this clear to everyone? Okay, so in this way, guys, we completed our food order project with the AI feature. Okay, and I hope so AI feature examples also I have shared in LMS. um, you can go to day 13. Okay, there I have shared. I hope so you guys have attended. And even the config.env file also I have shared. Try to paste your config.env file, okay, database urls and all, right? And even the grok ai stripe secret key and everything. Okay, fine. Now let's come to the project. Two project I have by mistake it got created two times. One I will delete. Okay. Now the thing is that what you have to do is here. First of all, you create this project, run it properly. Then you have to create a short video of 15-20 minutes where you have to create some 2-3 slides of PPT. Okay. Yeah, of course. See, whatever was your old config.env, you guys can just keep it that. Okay, you can just say paste your own credentials. Okay, so what you have to do in this project submission is um, you have to create 2-3 slides of PPT. Okay, and then you have to create one video. Okay, in that video, you have to introduce yourself. You have to uh, explain the PPT slides, and after explaining the PPT slides, you have to give the demo of the project, like how I have given the demo of the project first day, and now also how it is working and all. That you have to give just 15-20 minutes, like it should be a short video. And that video you have to upload it in YouTube, and that YouTube link you have to post in here in view or their options will come for submitting that link. Only you have to post. Is this clear to everyone? It's very easy. You have to create one 15-20 minutes YouTube video in which you are explaining what you understood, you are giving the demo of the project, you are introducing yourself, and then done. That video you have to upload in YouTube, and that YouTube link you have to post in this assignment. Okay, and certificate, about certificate, don't forget to attend all the quizzes. That is very important for certificate issue. And till 14th you will get the certificates, and maybe it can go to the another week of the July. Okay, but in 2 weeks you will get the certificate. And okay, about your, okay, so whoever is having the college issues and all, right, just ping me out in discussion forum. Okay, I will let you know. So I have to give the names, then we will see. Is this clear? Every see, again I am telling, whatever issues you are getting, okay, don't think like this today is the last session, so I will not reply. I will reply in discussion forum. Okay, so your problems will get resolved, as my laptop was another laptop which in which I was teaching, that is not working. So that's why I didn't resolve the discussion forum issues. Okay, so please post it till 2-3 days. Every issues will get resolved. Is this clear? And don't forget to reply me back. Okay, so you also be attentive in LMS, so I will also be attentive in that. Okay, so this is how you have to submit, and don't forget to attend all the three quizzes. It's very important. That's why I opened till 5th of July. Okay, fine. Now let's see what is Git and GitHub. Last date of project submission already there, it is written, it's a 14th July. Okay, 13th to 14th July it is. Quiz 4 is not available, no issue. You have to just attend only 3 quizzes. Uh, Actually, you guys can do one thing. You just download it, and just simply you can use npm I for both, and you can just run it. Okay, for now. Afterwards, you can just replace just the required files and all. No alternative actually. You have to upload it. No issue. You just upload it on YouTube. And that's it. And you can, I will try, if you have some problem, just ping me out in discussion forum. I will talk to my team and I will let you know. Okay, fine. So now let's start what is git. Okay, now for example, suppose you accidentally delete the correct file. Accidentally you deleted the correct file, can you get it back? Yes or no? Can anyone tell me? Okay, global campus right, I will see and I will let you know. Okay, till Monday you will get the done. If anytime I'm replying, you just check it once every day whether I replied or not, and if I will reply it back. Yeah, control Z is correct, but suppose permanently you delete it, then okay, yeah, cricket army, you can just post in discussion forum, no issue. We can't do, right? We can't do that. Okay, if once you uploaded, we can't do. Correct, suppose your friends also edited the same file, now there are two versions. Correct, which one is correct? Sometimes it get confused, right? So this is exactly the problem developers faced while building the software. Okay, now imagine Google developing Gmail. Okay, so thousands of developers work together. Correct, if everyone keeps making project final 1, project final 2, project final 3, it's very confusing, right? So developers created the git. Now what is git? What is git? It's a version control system. Okay, now don't explain about this version control system and all. Okay, you just think it like this. Suppose like how you are creating the file 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instead of that, whatever changes you have done in that, we have version 1, version 2, version 3, and what changes you have done, that also. Okay, now imagine, for example, imagine you are writing your semester project. Okay, semester project. Day 1, you have project version 1. Day 2, you added the introduction to it, suppose version 2. You added the images, version 3. Day 4, you accidentally deleted everything. Now what? Now you wish I could go back to yesterday, right? Now in this thing, git says no problem. Git has saved every version, whatever changes you have done with that, every version. Okay, and you can go back anytime. Okay, so git is just like a time machine, or you can say undo button for your entire project. Okay, so always remember, git remembers every change. Okay, who made it, when it was made, and why it was made. Is this clear to everyone? Okay, so this is what the git. Okay, now suppose you maintain a notebook, right? Every day after the class, you take a photocopy. Okay, every day after a class, you take a photocopy. Okay, now suppose on Monday you take copy 1, Tuesday you take copy 2, Wednesday you took copy 3. Okay, now if Thursday notebook gets spoiled, you simply use Wednesday copy, right? Git works exactly like this. Okay, except Git saves only the changes. Okay, not the whole project. That makes the Git very fast. So this is what the Git version control system. Okay, now comes here GitHub. Okay, now here comes the GitHub. Now you tell me, where does this Git save our project? Where? In computer? Where it is saving? No. Yeah, correct. Repository and all, right? It is not saving in your computer. Okay. See, now imagine your laptop crashes. Okay, suppose it is saving in computer also. If it crashes, hard disk gone, right? Now everything gone, correct? Now Git cannot help because Git stores history locally. Okay, so what if we also keep one copy online like a cloud or ad, right? So this is the GitHub. So I can say Git is the local and GitHub is online. Okay, so GitHub stores your Git project on the internet. Now your code is safe. Is this clear to everyone? Okay, GitHub is just like a Google Drive, but specially made for the code. Okay, so if your laptop crashes or something issue happens, your codes are safely stored in GitHub. Okay, so Git is what? Git is software. Okay, and what is GitHub? GitHub is the website. Clear? What is Git? It is installed on computer. Okay, and GitHub works online. Clear? Okay, Git tracks changes. Okay, next it stores projects online. Understood? GitHub stores projects online. Okay, now this works without internet. Okay, now internet usually needed here in GitHub. Okay, so I written here only works. Okay, Git is what? It's a version control, right? And this is what? The code sharing and collaboration, like in team. Okay, like in team you can contribute to the project. Okay, so Git works without GitHub and GitHub uses the Git. Is this clear? Is this clear to everyone now what is Git and GitHub? So Git is basically, it's a version control system that tracks every change made in a project. Okay, so developers can manage the versions, it collaborate and restore the previous works whenever needed. Clear? Now next is the GitHub. So GitHub is a cloud platform that stores the Git repositories online and making it easy to back up the code and collaborate with others and manage the software project. Is this clear to everyone? Any type of doubt here? Okay, so Git is your project's time machine that tracks every changes. Okay, and GitHub is the online home where you safely store and share those tracked projects with others. Understood, everyone? Okay, Now here what we have to do again, you have to type this I didn't opened, I think, GitHub. Okay, like this github.com you have to open, and there you have to create the account. After creating the account, it will look something like this, right? You have to create the account, then it will look something like this, but as you didn't create it, so maybe it will be empty, or maybe some of you have created, so you can see, right? Now what we can do is, here your profile photo will be there, okay? Or suppose you are getting the new. Okay, very good. Then if you guys have GitHub account, that is good. Okay, so if you click the profile photo, click the repositories. After clicking the repositories, whatever you have created, okay, that all projects will be seen, right? Whatever files you have uploaded, correct? So if suppose you didn't create it yet, so it will be empty. Okay, now here there will be the new color, green color button. Yeah, after adding the projects into GitHub. Okay, so now after creating, now you have to give the good name for your project. Suppose you are giving the project name as a food order project, or suppose AI project, something like this. I have given you. If you want to add the description for your project, you can add the description. That's it. Choose visibility public, that anyone will search, so they will get your projects also, they can download your projects and all. Okay, so mostly for deployment and all we keep public only. You can make it private also if you want to keep the projects to yourself. Okay, so sometimes happens, right? Some files are there that you don't want to display, but you want to store somewhere, so you can use GitHub and you can use the private then. Okay, so no one will able to see. Now after that you have to create the account. Like this it will get created. Okay, now next what you have to do, you have to open normally the terminal in your laptop. Okay, now after opening the terminal in your laptop, after creating the repository, you have to open the terminal in your laptop and you have to type these two commands. Okay, am I audible, everyone? Clear? Okay, audible, right? Okay, fine. So these two commands you have to type. But what is basically this? You are connecting your laptop to the GitHub. So whatever code you are writing in your computer, that you can add the code into your GitHub. Okay. So for that we used to type git config hyphen hyphen global user dot name. Okay. So you have to type like this. Now after typing it like this, you have to type your name. do we have to? It's totally up to you if you want to show your face or not. Okay. Now there you have to type your name through which you have created the account. Okay. Suppose I am typing this. Then you have to click enter. Okay. Now after that, what you have to type? You have to give your GitHub account email. Okay. GitHub email account you have to give. So for that, again, same thing. You have to type here git config. 1 minute. I hope so it's visible. Okay, so what you have to type, just a minute, I missed. Okay, name or username? Username. You have to give your username, then git config hyphen hyphen global user dot email. Now you have to enter your email ID here. Okay. Right, after adding your username and the email id through which you have created the github account, if you want to check whether it got created or not, for that we can use this command, git config hyphen hyphen global hyphen hyphen list. So if you will click this, you will get the username this and the user email id also this. Right, that means we have connected successfully to the github account. Gmail spelling is wrong. Okay, fine. So sorry for that. Okay, but it got actually already it is connected to my account. Okay, so this is just for showing you. Okay, so this is what it is. Okay, so here you have to add the email id, here you have to add your name, and then you want, if you want to check whether it got connected or not, we can use git config hyphen hyphen global hyphen hyphen list. Right, now after doing this, open your terminal. Now what I will do, I will create one more terminal properly. Here drop down is there. Okay, if you will click this drop down, you will see some bash. You click this bash. After clicking bash, it will come something like this. Okay, now here you are going to type git init. Okay, so what happened here, you can see .git folder got created. I want to upload backend and frontend only. Yeah, you can change the UI, you can add the new extra features also. Okay, so when you typed git init, okay, to the main folder, so what happened, .git folder got created, because this both the folders I have to add. Okay, now in both the folders you will see the git ignore file also. Okay, in git ignore file, the files are written, file names are given which we have to ignore. Understood, everyone? Right? So, in node modules, config files have been ignored whenever you will upload in GitHub. Okay, that you should not upload it, because first of all, it's a secret file. Plus secondly, this node modules will take more time to download also, because it's a whole package. Okay, so whenever we download, we use npmi, that's why we do, so that node modules folder get created. Okay, now first command we typed git init, it creates a new git repository in the current project folder. Okay, next here you have to type git status, click enter. Now here it is giving what? Untracked file, that is correct. Backend and frontend has not been added. Okay, so we are checking the current status of our project, and this all codes, whenever you will create the repository, it will be here. Okay, but git status is not here. Then also I used to check once what is added and what is not, and it is perfect for me. Okay, next what we are going to type here, git commit hyphen m first commit. Okay, now this is what we are doing, we save a snapshot of the stacked changes with a meaningful message. Okay, so what is happening actually here, with git commit hyphen m we are adding, sorry, not this, there it is not given. Oh, sorry, after get status, here you have to type git add dot, so sorry, space dot. If you will type this, what will happen? All the things will get added. It is got, did not get, okay, it got added, I think. Okay, so git add dot. So it is adding all new and modified files to this tagging area. Okay, next is git message. So here, as I told you, right, we have some version control with all the changes. So if you want to give some meaningful message like, this I have added, this is the first time I am adding. Okay, done. Again, if you have done some changes and you are again pushing the data into the GitHub, so what will happen? Then also you can type the message, this is the second change, in second change I changed this file, right? So like this one message you can put, so it will be good for you to track all the details. Understood everyone? And as you can see, all the files have been added. This is the list of the files that has been added. Okay, now next command is what? Git branch hyphen m. Let's do it in master, but okay, it got added. Fine. So git branch hyphen and, so it renamed the current branch to, that's it. Okay. Next is what? Git remote add engine. This is your repository URL where you want to add to this repository URL. Okay, so like this we have added. Okay, and it got added successfully also, right? And in last we have to use this git push hyphen u. Okay, so it upload your project to GitHub and set the default remote branch like this and click enter. Yeah, .env is also in git ignore. Okay, so everyone can see this. It got added successfully. Now let's go back. Now what you have to do, click this code again. Now when you will click this code again, you will see backend and frontend folders successfully got added inside our GitHub, and this is your repository. If your project is public and if you will share this project to anyone, this URL to anyone, okay, so anyone can download your code. You can click this code and you can download it. Is this clear to everyone? Okay, so this is how it is, right? And next, after uploading your code, if I can show you, okay, here can you see everyone, first commit is written. Now suppose if you want to do some edit, okay, again you add it successfully, check everything is working or not, then go to the bash terminal, and there here you have to use the push method. Okay, git push and whatever. Okay, and then again with some message if you will do, then you will get some stack of the message like this, things added and all. Is this clear to everyone? Okay, env should also be in git ignore, because this is where you have your all secret keys. For me it's okay, I am uploading also, because after sometimes I will delete also. Right? So that's not the case, but yeah, keep safe your api key. Not for this is the demo projects, right? But then also, if for your future purpose, you should know you don't have to upload your secret things. Okay, so maybe in future if you are live in some projects and also that's, so in this way guys we can upload it. Okay, now let's come to the deploy. No, no, no. For PPT slides, normally how college time you guys have created the PPTs, no guidelines for PPTs. Normally you create 2, 3 slides of PPT, you explain it, whatever you understood, write down just only points and explain on video. Okay, and then you can show the demo of the project. That's it. Yeah. Okay, now this is how. So basically, for tracking or uploading your projects and all, you should upload it here. Okay, plus one more thing, there is the 100jsprojects.com. Okay, there are 100 of projects here. Okay, you can go to the view all projects. You will get, right, the code is also available. If you will go to the view project, code is also available, but this code you can write down inside using the react also. Okay, logics are same. So let me share you this so you can have the practice. Okay, so everyone can see the link I shared on chat. You can just go through it. Yeah, after session, till tomorrow I will check and I will let you know. Yeah, you only have to okay. uh that's why I'm telling, just 1, 2 slides you create it, like just type the. Is this clear to everyone now? Okay. And second thing, for deployment, actually the thing is that I try to deploy, some issue is coming. Okay, sometimes it happens, some maybe some code, not code, some files are like that, that is why it's not deploying. Okay, so till Monday I will share the lms sorry, I will share the video. Okay, so till Monday in announcement you check once. Okay, Monday or Tuesday you check the announcement. I will upload for deployment one video, and you can deploy after seeing that. Okay. Okay, if you want to explain only food project, you explain it, but it will look better if at least one slide if you will create and you will explain whatever you have understood. Okay, so that will be better. Don't start directly the food project app. Backend we are going to deploy using Render, and frontend we are going to deploy using Netlify. Yeah, as I told you, till tomorrow or in 2 3 days, I will solve your issue in discussion forum posted. Last day is the 14th. Okay, so codes are also available, so you can just go through it and just run it and let me know. Is this clear to everyone? Okay, so don't forget to add all the API keys and all Grok API is there, right? Grok is their front-end URL to which your front-end is running, because this is useful for the payment. Then Stripe API keys and all, you can just post a Cloudinary and all, database and JavaScript and the port number and all. Whatever you understood from this internship, whatever topics you learned, suppose you learned about React, so you just post, you can create one slide for React, you learned Node.js, you learned MongoDB, you learned Grok AI, you learned, right? So this things you can just create one note, okay, and you can explain it then afterwards. With me, with me, how I should tell you, come for the next internship then. Come for the batch, like this only I can tell, right? Yeah, for 1 year you can access the LMS. Okay guys, so I think it's done now. I hope so you liked this internship and you got to know the concept behind this. So because project codes, so everyone can do it and all, but the your what I can say, your concept should be clear for your future purpose. Okay, so projects, so it's okay for your LinkedIn, for your resume, and our project is okay. When new batch, that so I also don't know, I have to ask. I think in 1 2 months maybe. Okay guys, so yeah, discussion forum, I will resolve the issues, right? Till 2 3 days I will resolve. Don't forget to give all the quizzes, it is open. And yeah, you can go through all the recordings and all, whatever uh, this task and all I have given, plus this all images and all, you just download it or take this screenshot, it will be good for your future purpose. Okay, so as I told you, global campus 09, like I will solve, give me 2 3 days, I will resolve your issue, as I have the another batches too, so sometimes it got late, and as I having the laptop issues too, so that's it. Top 5 questions, so I can't tell, but yeah, of course, what is the project about? Okay, first of all they will ask this. Then what are the features you added, what you understood about this project. Then what are the technologies you used, and the technologies like React you used, Grok you used, um, Node.js, MongoDB you used, right? And explain that technologies. Okay, and how you connected backend to front end, because front end is different, running on different port number, backend is running on different port. How you have connected? What is Axios? This type of questions can be asked based on this project. And how you used Grok AI? What are the prompts that you have given? Right? So this all questions can be asked. Yes, guys, give me 2 3 days. I will solve your issues in discussion forum. So no worries. Okay. If you want to show your face, you can show. If you don't want to show, it's okay. It's totally up to you. So, okay then, thank you so much for your support. So, let me now, I hope so, no buffering will be available. Okay, so, yeah. Okay, guys, so work hard. Uh, Everything you should know properly. Concept should be clear rather than just coding. And coding is also important. Concept is also important. Then only you can apply to any of the sorry, not restaurant app, any of the projects. Correct? So thank you everyone for joining this internship and yeah. So good night. Take care everyone. Have a great week, month behind. Okay, so we'll stop here now and please complete this task. Okay, everything I have uploaded. So please complete it. Deployment also I will upload till Monday or Tuesday as some issue is coming in deployment. So I have to check that. Right? So please create the short video, upload it. If you have any type of doubt, you can just ask me. And thank you so much. You liked it and you got the knowledge also. That is very important. Thank you, guys. YouTube is, yeah, YouTube video is mandatory. It's okay, fine. You can just explain it out. You can upload it. That will be good for your resume also. That's it. Okay, guys. So thank you so much. We'll stop here now. Okay, bye. Take care. Good night.